Hello, my dear friends, welcome back. In this video, I'll guide you on how to record Imou cameras on your PC or laptop. The first step is to download and install the software. Open the browser and search with the keyword Smart PSS to Huo Wiki. Access the website to huowiki.com. Click to download the latest version of the Smart PSS software to your computer. After downloading, we need to unzip it. This is the software installation file. We should right-click and select Run as Administrator. If this message appears, we need to click More Info and select Run anyway. Select I have read and agree and click Next. In this step, we need to select both Smart PSS and Storage Service and click Next. Click Install and wait for the software to complete the installation. Now open the Smart PSS software. Right-click and select Run as Administrator. Since the software is newly installed, we need to set a password for the software. You can choose Auto Login after registration to automatically log in next time. Answer the security questions. Click on the plus sign here. Select PC-NVR. We need to click here to add PC-NVR to Smart PSS. In the HDD Manager item, we need to select a drive to record. Note, you need to copy personal data out before initializing. Click Allocate of the drive we need to record the camera. Here it also shows a message that will delete all your files on the drive, and click OK to continue. The drive has been initialized. We can see its capacity here. Select Devices. Next, we need to add the camera to the Smart PSS software. Before adding, we need to change the static IP address for the camera first to ensure the connection. Enter the camera's username and password. The default password is the safety code on the camera's label. Other cameras also change the static IP address similarly. Now select the camera and add it to the software. Here also enter the username and password of the camera. Note that PC-NVR only supports cameras on the local network or connected via domain name. Back to the PC-NVR item, we have synced to cameras here. Select the cameras to record. PC-NVR only supports recording up to 32 channels. Click on the arrow to move the camera to the storage selection area. In the Record Plan item, we can customize the recording schedule of each camera as desired. This is the icon of the PC-NVR in operation. Now we need to restart the software once after the settings are complete. Exit the PC-NVR software. Must enter the password to exit. The default password is admin. We see that the PC-NVR has been connected to the camera. Here we can view each camera directly. And in the PC-NVR are the cameras that have been linked to the PC-NVR. Go to Playback to check the camera's record. Select the camera in PC-NVR and click Search. We see that the camera has been recorded on the computer. And this is the drive we have selected for record. Note that the computer is always on and the PC-NVR software is not turned off. We can customize the port on PC-NVR so that other computers can connect this PC-NVR as a normal NVR. Password setting, we can change the password for PC-NVR. The default password of PC-NVR is admin. Good luck to you, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel to help me. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.